Yeah, O'Brien is a really exciting project. Part of the reason that it's so exciting is that we have a new 3-story prototype that we'll be building for the new O'Brien Middle School.
There's going to be 3 stories, and essentially what's exciting about that is that each grade level sort of gets their own story, their own level to exist on.
How are the kids feeling about it? Have they seen any images, or have you had discussions with some of the students about what their new school will look like?
Yeah, they're super thrilled. And we have a team of 12 students, 12 O'Brien students that are 6th graders that will be following the project all through their 3 years. And they're all aspiring architects, contractors, engineers.
We're really concentrating on safety. The new front of the school is actually going to be off of Silver Lake Drive instead of Stead Boulevard, which has been problematic in the past.
We've had a tremendous amount of positive feedback about the fact that O'Brien is receiving sort of this gift of a new facility. And I just, would love for people to envision themselves in a new space and know that it's not just a school for the kids and the learning, but it's a school for the community.
So the new Swope School is about a 40,000 square foot expansion, and the main components of it are a brand new gym on the west side of the school. Next summer, we'll start building our new 2-story classroom building.
Our students have had to sit on the floor and along the edges of the wall for our team assemblies and our whole school assemblies. And now there'll be bleacher seating that'll be able to take in all the students. One of the biggest concerns that parents have had, how that construction is going to disturb the educational process for their students. And I would say that together with Capital Projects and United Construction, we've really worked to mitigate those concerns.
So we're lucky to be able to replace the HVAC system in this building during this project. So we're excited about that. As you can imagine, a refresh like this for Swope is so huge.
If you look at our architects, our contractor, there are so many people that are on this team that have a connection to Swope. Whether they had kids that went to Swope, grandkids that went to Swope. So I really believe that the people working on it are going to want to do their best job that they can possibly do.